Guys, I'm so excited! Pixverse AI just changed the character consistency game. This free AI video generator just added a character-to-video option to their AI video creation repertoire. Let me explain what happened. So late last night, I was working on a new YouTube video for you guys about my favorite AI video generator, called Pixverse. I had a long day at work already, so I started to feel pretty sleepy. Until I opened the Pixverse website, and OMG. What I saw? I started jumping with excitement and joy. Pixverse is making our lives so much easier. We can upload images of our characters and add them to different scenes and styles of videos. Let's see how. Let's go on the Pixverse website and choose Get Started in Web. On the first page, you're gonna see the most popular videos created on Pixverse. If you click on them, you can see all the information used to create the video, or even use the same picture as a starting point to create your own video. But let's not change to topic. Let's start with the most exciting update, which is character to video. On the main menu bar, click on character. I already have my picture uploaded, but let's do another one together. Click on create character, drag your image or upload it from your computer. Very important to use a good quality, clear image of a face with no occlusions. I tried it with an image of my favorite dog, and it was not working, unfortunately. Let's just use another image I created in Midjourney. I got an error message, so guys, make sure you follow the face size guidelines. I will just use the same image again to save time. Once uploaded, you have to name it. The style is set to realistic as default. Congrats! Your character is processing and will be ready in a few minutes. Once it's ready, hit the Create button, choose the third option shows character, and choose your character from the drop-down menu. In the prompt section, enter the activities and movements you want your character to do and define the style of the image. For style reference, click the text button. The following 4 default styles work the best on Pixverse: realistic, anime, 3D animation, and CG, meaning computer generated. Let me know if you discover any other style working well that is not presented here. Pick one and put it in the prompt section. I created the intro for this video in anime style. I'll use the same prompt I used for the intro, but 3D animation style this time. Pixverse is offering you to auto-prompt your character. As they explain, turning on this feature enables them to automatically add a prompt to enhance the fidelity of your character. I got better results when I turned it on, so I advise you to do the same or at least give it a try. I will show you some examples in a minute. In the negative prompts bracket, you can define your undesired results. For example, you don't want morphing in your video, or you don't want to see multiple legs or arms on humans, etc. Pixverse gives you a whole array of aspect ratios to choose from. I will choose the 16.91 because I'm creating a YouTube video. Now let's see the results I got and compare all 4 different styles. Let's start with a realistic style. I created this one first, and this is my least favorite. Well, as soon as I saw the video, I realized that I have to prompt more specifically that she is working on her computer, not just sitting there trying to look pretty. So that's that. The second one was the anime style, and that one absolutely blew my mind. It looks stunning, even with that little weird eye movement. Clearly, she was getting tired. The third one was the CG style, which I also liked. Not a whole lot of working is going on there, though. And the final one we just created is the 3D animation style. I think it's my second least favorite. What do you guys think? Which one is the best? Let's try one without turning the auto character prompt on. I started a timer to show you guys how long it takes to create a video. The system is operating at full capacity, so it takes a while. I'm not surprised, as at this moment, this is the best available free unlimited AI video generator software out there. I really have to emphasize that this is the best at this very moment, because the AI scene is changing rapidly. And maybe by the time I post this video, we're gonna have another brand new app available. I'm a huge fan of Runway ML because we can control the movements by using their motion brush, but their plans are not on the cheap side of the spectrum. Anyways, our video is ready. 4 minutes, wow, I think it was the longest I have been waiting so far. It looks amazing and she is typing on the keyboard as I prompted. You can upscale your video by pressing the button on the right. Incredibly, that function is also free. I upscaled my videos for the intro and it took me more than 10 minutes. As I promised you guys, let's investigate the differences between the outcomes when we are using the auto character prompt feature versus when we don't. As you can see, while creating the top image, we switched off the auto character prompt feature and it looks a lot less like our character, while the bottom image keeps the characteristics best. So it's worth to have it on. Imagine the endless possibilities with this update. We don't have to create consistent character images with Midjourney first and animate them, thus saving a significant amount of time. Jump on this opportunity while it is 100% free. In my next video, we will discover the text-to-video and images-to-video functions of Pixverse. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe if you find this helpful.